Now we are going to look at how to calculate confidence intervals for a set of data using Excel. So basically, start off with the data we have here. We've got a number of patients in whom we've measured heart rate, systolic blood pressure, and the oxygen saturation. And we have a total of 100 patients. Okay, so it comes down to row 101. So we have 100 patients in whom we've made these measurements. So how do you work out confidence intervals for the population heart rate, the population systolic BP, and the population oxygen saturation? Okay, first of all, we're going to use the data analysis macro, which is shipped with Excel. So if you have Excel, then you should have this. However, you do have to install it to start with. To make sure you install it, click here, File, Options, and then we look here for the add-ins. We click, I can actually see it, Analysis Toolpack, so I just need to make sure it's installed. So there, Analysis Toolpack is ticked, so that's okay. So I have the data analysis add-in. So now, to run it, I click on Data, and over in the corner, here's Data Analysis. Okay, so I start this. Okay, and what we're going to do is descriptive statistics. Okay, I want to describe the data, and we're going to look at describing all these three. So descriptive statistics, click OK, and we have this dialog box to fill in. So our input range, this is the data we have. I'm going to select these whole three columns here by clicking in the letter at the top and selecting the whole column. So it's columns A to C. And the data are indeed grouped by columns, which is good. I do have labels in the first row. These are the names: heart rate, systolic BP, saturation. Okay, now where am I going to put the output? The output from this macro, I'm going to put that along here. Okay, so that's where the results are going to be placed. And what do I want to include? Well, I want to summarize the data, and what we're looking for is confidence intervals. So the confidence level is 95%, that's my confidence level. The confidence interval is what we're going to work out. Okay, click OK, and there it is. Okay, now these numbers are rather squashed up, so I'm going to format this to make it a bit easier to read. So click on Home, go over here to Format, choose the column width, auto-fit the column width, click that, so now we can see the numbers more easily. So here we have it, the heart rate, the mean is 64, standard error is that, median is that, and so on. And at the bottom here we have confidence level 95% and 3.1. Similarly for systolic BP, we have confidence level, and that's what that is, and SpO2 as well. So now, the confidence level is not the same as the confidence interval. What we want is the confidence interval. You get that very, very easily. The confidence interval stretches from an upper bound to a lower bound. So we have, I'm just going to type in the upper bound of my confidence interval is going to be simply the mean, okay, plus so the upper bound is the mean, so type equals, and then the cell up there, plus the confidence level here. Okay, so it's just add up those two, and there it is. That's the upper bound, so the confidence interval will reach up as far as 67. And what's the lower bound? Well, let's put that in too. The lower bound equals the mean minus the confidence level here. And there we are. So the measured mean of the sample was 64 beats per minute. Our confidence interval, a 95% confidence interval, is from 60 to 67. And that's it. We can do exactly the same for the systolic BP. All I'm going to do is select these two cells here. Okay. We shall copy those. Okay. And then we'll paste them in here. So paste here. Okay, so this is the confidence interval for the systolic blood pressure. Our mean was 132, so our confidence interval goes from 127 to 136. and we do exactly the same for the saturation, and we get this. So that's how you work out confidence intervals using Microsoft Excel. Allow the computer to do all the hard work for you, and all you need to do is put in these two equations here.